Hello and welcome to the Thirukkural series. In this video, we will explore the third chapter of Thirukkural, titled Glory of Those Who Have Relinquished. This chapter highlights the greatness of individuals who have overcome desire and attachment to lead righteous life. The fourth song in this chapter speaks about the importance of resoluteness and self-control. It says, using the ankus called resoluteness, one who controls the elephant named five senses is sowing for future glory. An ankus is a tool used by elephant trainers to control the animal. Similarly, resoluteness is a tool that can be used to control our five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. The song suggests that by using this tool of resoluteness, we can control our senses and overcome desires. The song further says that we are sowing the seeds of future glory by doing so. This means that by living a life of self-control and righteousness, we are setting ourselves up for a better future in this world and the next. This song emphasizes the importance of self-control and resoluteness in leading a righteous life. It encourages us to overcome our desires and lead a life guided by moral principles. That was the fourth song of the third chapter of Thirukkural. We hope you found this video insightful and informative. Stay tuned for more videos in this series as we continue to explore the wisdom of Thirukkural. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural insights. Join us in the following video as we explore the next song in Chapter 3, Song 5 of Thirukkural.